Welcome to a tutorial in which we'll look at how to add animation to a slide in PowerPoint. Animation is a great way to focus on important points on your slide, to increase audience interest and to control the flow of content. You can apply animation to text or objects on individual slides, or if you prefer, to text or objects on any slide layout in the Slide Master. The most common animation effects are those applied to bullet points, so that they don't appear all at once when you present the slide. You'll find animation effects on the Animations tab. At the moment, they're all grayed out, as I haven't selected anything to animate. To apply an animation effect, select the text or object you would like to animate, and then choose the animation you would like to apply. I'll click on this placeholder containing the bullet points, and then I'm going to click on the More button to see the full list of animations available. You can apply an animation on entrance, meaning that as soon as the slide appears on screen during your slideshow, the effect will run immediately. You can apply an emphasis animation to draw attention to a particular item on screen. Exit effects will run when you're moving to the next slide, and motion paths allow you to set the starting position and the ending position of where the object will move on screen. I'll choose one of the most popular choices, Fly In, and you'll get a preview of how it looks. Any animation you set will have additional options you can apply from the Effect Options button, such as the direction of the animation, and you may be able to alter the running sequence of the animation at the bottom. It does depend on which animation effect you've chosen though, as to what you'll see here. Any slide with animation will have a little star on the side, and anything on the slide itself with an animation will have a little number next to it. You can see I have a little number 1 and number 2s against the bullet points. I'm going to click on this picture and apply a different effect. I'll choose Swivel on Exit. I'm going to click on Course Objective and apply a wave. Now you can see I have several numbers around my screen. I'll just do a quick preview to see how it looks. And as you can see, I've got it all in the wrong order. To change the order, you can click on the object you'd like to move, and then you can either choose Move Earlier or Move Later as appropriate in the Reorder animation group. Alternatively, you can click on the animation on the Animations pane and move it up or down using the direction arrows, or you can click on the animation and drag and drop it to its new position. You can see it's now number 1. To delete an animation, you can click on the animation on the Animation pane and press Delete on your keyboard, or click on the drop-down arrow and choose Remove. Now I'm going to go to slide number 1 and run the slideshow from the beginning. The first slide has no animation, so it's just loading everything. When I click to move forward, Course Objective is there automatically because it has no effect. The picture is there because that's waiting on exit. So when I click, I'll get the first bullet, click again and get the next. Now when I click to move to the next slide, the exit effect will happen. Now I'll press Escape to return to normal. So in this tutorial, you've seen how to apply animation effects to items on a slide in PowerPoint.